Damn best laptop i5 9th Gen 2 SSD slots M2. PCIe NVMe plus 1TB HDD 4GB GTX 1650 which is better than GTX 1050 of any competition. Boot up 8 to 10 seconds. Battery charging 1 hour 40 min. Pros 1. Max 5. 30 hours on full battery save and total casual usage. 2. 60K barrier. Best Buy. 3. Better than Aspire 7 as has extra HDD slot and red backlit keyboard and extra cell watch gives battery backup. 4. 60Hz refresh rate but safely overclock till 90 Hz. 5. Backlit has 5 brightness settings. 6. Separate number. You can get USB card reader. Recently Mi Notebook has released but I didn't prefer it cause of graphics. If graphics is not concerned then me or else gaming and overall definitely this laptop shines. Had used Adobe PSNLR works so good. Best laptop. Bought this laptop for designing and editing use basically. Checked and compared a lot of laptops in this price range but this one ranked above all. Be it the HDD plus SSD combination or its decent battery backup. Also, it has a fairly usable webcam, 0.9MP, which another competing laptop didn't have. Researched a lot regarding Ryzen vs Intel but ultimately decided upon Intel i5 9th Gen although Ryzen 7 was available for a similar price. You get only about 6GB of the 8GB available in Ryzen. Greater than nice build quality. Beautifully smooth finish. Greater than very responsive and sensitive touchpad. Greater than as for the few reviews which suggest that the sound could have been better. I think it's pretty good for a laptop. Movie volume can be a little low at times but I think that depends upon the viewing platform. I played songs on Spotify and noticed a loud enough volume. Greater than haven't used it much but already I've noticed that the battery backup is good enough. Greater than you'll not face any problems with heating. Greater than if the non-availability of keyboard backlight colors is a problem then it can be easily turned off so a good choice for softwares which require color accuracy. Greater than a bit on the heavier side but then better than a lot of gaming laptops. Greater than no performance issues whatsoever. Overall an amazing laptop under 60K. For anyone looking for a heavy-duty, high-performance laptop for other things than gaming like content creation, designing, video and photo editing, or other basic use, just go for it. Click on helpful if I was able to be of any help. Performance, excellent. Thanks to 1650 and i5 9th Gen display, sharpness is excellent. But if the display needs somewhat brighter sound, really good quality thanks to Max Audio. But the volume is very low. Needs to lift the lappy up for audible. Because the speakers are down. I am happy for this laptop. An amazing product to buy at such a price. Everything is up to the mark. Build quality, screen, performance, gaming experience. Battery life could have been better. The product description says it to be 11 hours but for normal use it will last around 4 hours and on gaming around 1 to 1.5 hours. Also I initially received a corrupted OS. My system was not booted up after first restart, but Acer covers it in the warranty and installer nay. Great product. Value for money. Got this at 56K, loved it. It's a very good laptop at this price. It looks better in real. Keyboard is great. Screen is great. Performance is very good. Laptop is awesome, no heating issues when normal use, heats up a little bit when gaming, battery usage is good, display is excellent, booting is fast. Super product build quality is awesome. One little drawback: sound quality. Click link in description for more reviews.